Hi all, for chicken crispy fry, take 3 spoons of besan flour in a bowl, put in all the masalas and then the white from only one egg. Mix it with some water into a paste and also add the chicken. Mix it well and let the chicken get marinated. Let this chicken rest in room temperature for at least half an hour. Add the marinated chicken into hot oil. Just sprinkle the chicken over the oil so that the chickens don't get stuck to one another. Our chicken is getting fried. After 3 minutes, it looks like this. One side is very well done. Now we have turned it over to the other side and this side has also turned very crispy and it has come out as in a golden brown color. See now, both the sides of the chicken have turned brown in color. This is the right time to take the chicken. Let us transfer it to a bowl. Yeah, our chicken crispy fry has come out very well. It looks very yummy. It is the time for me to taste it. Do try this at home. You can give it during tea time or also as a starter. Meet you soon in another recipe. Till then, bye bye.